There's a country in the world that shares a border with 5 other countries, but it's landlocked. Can name that country? Pause the video here if you want to make a guess. In the game of Geopolitics 101, a country is considered landlocked if it has no coastline or sea border. A country is also considered landlocked if it's completely surrounded by the territory of other countries. Now, there are some countries in the world that share a border with at least one sea, but they're still considered landlocked because they have no direct access to the ocean. So in this case, we're looking for a country that's completely surrounded by other countries and has no coastline. Afghanistan is a doubly landlocked country, meaning it's both completely landlocked and it's also double landlocked. What does that mean? That means its neighbors all have access to the ocean, so all of Afghanistan's neighbors have coastlines. It shares a border with Pakistan to the south and east, Iran to the west, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, and Tajikistan to the north, and China to the northeast. The coordinates of its most northern point are 39 degrees, 36 arc-minutes north. That's how we know that all of its neighbors have access to the ocean. If we zoom out to the country's physical location on Earth, you can see that it sits between 60 and 70 degrees east. To understand why this means that it's landlocked, let's look at a map of the world with all the longitudes. All the lines of longitude converge at the North Pole and the South Pole. So any country that sits between these lines of longitude must be landlocked. Also, since Afghanistan sits entirely to the north of the Tropic of Capricorn and to the south of the Arctic Circle, we can eliminate all the countries in the southern hemisphere. Now, let's add back in the countries that share a border with Afghanistan. There's Pakistan, Iran, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, and China. Of these, only Pakistan, Iran, and China have coastlines. The coordinates of Pakistan's most northern point are 36 degrees, 32 arc-minutes north. Coordinates of Iran's most northern point are 38 degrees, 35 arc-minutes north. And the coordinates of China's most southern point are 44 degrees, 7 arc-minutes north. Since Afghanistan's most northern point is further north than all 3 of these countries, we know that it doesn't share a border with any ocean. So the answer is Afghanistan. Do you know any obscure geography facts? Share them below.